Hey, so you guys know I'm sponsored by 1X. Something they just came out with kind of recently are these tire socks. Kind of see them like that. A day like today, they're not bad to have, especially when you start feeling the wind kick up. I didn't run them first couple sessions because it was just not a problem. But now the wind is starting to kick up. It's about 60 degrees. And I just want to make sure I have temperature in my tires. So basically, they just keep the tire warmer temp inside the wheel. You use them with the tire warmers. So they actually have the warmer on underneath that. Make sure the cord isn't wrapped up in there, otherwise you'll melt your cord. You could if your warmers are hot enough. But yeah, pretty good stuff. 1X USA, they're $49.99. Really good deal. And it's just nice for those early season, late season sort of track days when you want to make sure you have enough temperature coming from your warmers. So check them out.